What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we are testing out this DJI Action 4 and we're going to what's the name of it? Cabeza. Just want to test out this camera because I looked at the footage from the Electrify Expo and I wasn't super impressed. So hopefully we can get some good footage. I am filming on D-Log, I believe it's called, and I'm shooting at 30 frames. So hopefully it looks a little bit better, or I'll have to return this camera because I can't be spending $500 if I don't even like the quality of the image. That'd just be a waste of time and money. You know what I'm saying? Alright, we are going to head over there now. Oh, this is one thing about Texas, Austin, Texas, that grinds my gears. Traffic is terrible. Absolutely terrible. This is the worst traffic I've ever seen of any state. Even California. I've been in California for 2 months driving around. I went up and down the West Coast. This is the worst traffic I've ever experienced in my lifetime. Here we are. Yeah, man, we're here. Just gonna check it out, see what's it about. We haven't been here in a while, so let's see what's new. Looks like you can sit with Santa. I'm gonna sit on a man's lap today.
They really just be living in this section. That's crazy.
What is that? That's a trout. That's a trout. As you can see, we're currently in Africa right now. You know, it's crazy how still these animals stay in real life. You would think they'd be moving around, but they're really still. It's a cool little zoo. Alright, we're just at the camping session, walking around. Not gonna lie, recording in a store, it's kind of gives me anxiety. Makes me feel bad. But yeah, it's a pretty cool section. I got everything you would need at this location. Wow. I could have got my pepper spray from here. And I could have even got one that's bedazzled. Dang. Missed opportunities. I think I'm gonna pick up one of these, or actually this one. Has like a pry tool to it. That's pretty cool. Let me pick this up actually. They have other carabiners as well. Small ones too. I think I like this one though. Right there, the kids can practice shooting them up, you know what I'm saying? So they can get used to hunting in the great outdoors. I'll probably get 2 of these for the car because right now we have full-size folding chairs.
It doesn't have a back support.
Oh, my back support. Let's test this out. Yeah, this is cool, but I like the back support.
I mean, it's kind of comfortable, but after a while.
I like this one.
Yeah, I like that one too.
I also want one of those little hyper small ones that you can go backpacking with because I want to put it on my bike. Yeah, the cooler's right over here. Yeti. This is cool. We got some e-bikes right here. Woo, look at this one. This is serious business right here. This is serious business. I like these because they have a thinner tire. It's not a fat tire.
This one has a...
Yeah, I like this because you can pedal. Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah, but there's no motor with that.
You can add a motor to it, I think. But, because you can always put a trolling motor on it. But this one I like because you can pedal. I watched a lot of YouTubers that had those. Got a bunch of bike helmets here. But nothing that's super cool. I'm thinking about getting one of the neon ones. Yeah, but yeah, they don't feel amazing. Can't spot. Oh, I see these all the time. Remember when those stunk up my video? This is like the zoo is cool, but I feel like this is cooler. I've just been going to museums for all my life, so I like museums. And these are like the premium grade horses, the president quality. Crazy. Yeah. Now over here you got meh, and they got wizard wands on their heads. That's crazy. He looks like the guy from Mr. Fox the Sun. That's what he looks like. That one got elegant horns. They even taxidermy people here. That's crazy. This guy's got taxidermy. Sorry, man. He probably died though before they did it to him though. If I had to be any of these deer creatures, I would be that one right there. It's called the Nigel bull. That's a bull. That's not a bull. That's a canoe. She's asked which animal she would be. It'd be that one right there. Cute little otter. Otter. So, looking for a neck gaiter for when I ride. I don't want to get the synthetic material because it stinks up real quick. But these, they feel. That's $24 though. I may just go with this one. Yeah, it feels weird. I like that one to be honest, but it's that weird color. That's a red drum right there. Alright, that was Cabela's. What's his name?
Cabela.
That was Cabela's. And let me show you what we picked up. First up, I know I said I wanted like a cotton neck gaiter or something like that, but we ended up getting the Cabela's neck gaiter. That should help me out on my bike rides. And next up, I decided to get some of these small carabiner thingies. Switched up, I got this one because it's smaller and works better for what I need it for. You guys will find out why in the EDC video that I dropped. Alright, now we're gonna go to PT Terry's. I'm gonna show you what we eat as vegetarians at PT Terry's, a burger food place. P. Terry's. I'm really bad with names if you guys haven't noticed, but just how I am. I'm dyslexic, so I get the pass. So I was talking about the traffic being bad. So when you're coming from San Antonio to Austin, this is traffic, but it's understandable because it's construction. Now, I think the road is South Loop 1 going north. It's on the west side, and it's the main road you get to go from on the west side from the south to the north. That road is the worst road I've ever came upon in my whole life, and that one irks me every single time because the traffic is there's traffic there around rush hour times, but there's no reason for it. There's literally no reason for the traffic, but yet it exists. It's like around 6 o'clock, 4 o'clock, people are like, oh, it's time to slow down now. Let's go ahead and stop for everybody and just create a big old kind of jumble of traffic that lasts for two hours. And then you would think there'd be like some type of cause for the traffic, but there's none at all. It's the weirdest thing ever. And that is a one road that just gets under my skin, deep into my bones. To this day, forever I live. But this is fine traffic. This is fine. This is like, it's construction. Makes sense. We passed P. Terry's. But it's fine. Because we're gonna go to the one by our house. Yeah. Man, we at PT Terry right now. P. Terry's. Are you guys ready to see JT order? Oof. Oh, here we go.
Welcome back to Detectives. What can I get started for you?
Can I get 2 veggie burgers with cheese, everything on it, and then can I get 2 fries with that?
Okay.
And then can I get a pumpkin pie shake?
1 pumpkin pie shake?
Yes.
Okay, that'll be $17.37, sir.
Awesome, thank you.
Absolutely.
And just like that,
Where's the pumpkin pie shake? I didn't see it.
Oh no, we don't have ketchup.
All right, first we're gonna try this pumpkin shake. Now their shakes are cool, but
Okay. You know what it tastes like? It tastes like if you went to like Hobby Lobby and got like those fall scented candles, but they melted it down and turned it into a milkshake. That's what it tastes like.
yep. I don't like when I can taste the flavoring. And I could taste the flavoring in that one. Like I want it to be incorporated. That gets a 3 out of 10. But the texture is good. $2 though. $2. That's fine. The fries, we already ate this stuff before. Fries are good to me. I like their fries. And the burger, I guess most of you guys don't even eat veggie stuff. Might as well show you a burger. So you know what I'm saying, you got the cheese popping through the film, you know what I'm saying, make you get you those sensations of, oh, I'm about to have a burger. And then right there you see the patty.
The veggie patty.
The veggie patty. And honestly, it tastes like a burger. You know what I'm saying? I guess it's made with like black beans and other vegetables and stuff like that. But it's not too different from a regular burger. Tastes good. Does the job. It's only like, how much is it? Only like $4, something like that. Not too expensive at all. But we're going to eat that at home because the weather outside is not, the weather outside is frightful. So we're going to get back home. Oh, biker. Biker man right there. Oh no, he's gone.
Wow.
Man.
He went off-roading.
He went off-roading. I'm trying to do that. I'm gonna look into getting one of those folding full-size bikes so I can do some more extreme stuff. But yeah, I think I'm gonna end the video here. This is really just a test for the DJI to see if it impresses me, because before I wasn't getting impressed. So I'll let you guys know when I'm editing if I like it or not, and I'll give you guys the outro then. But yeah, uh-oh, my desk is a little dirty. You guys can't see that, but yeah, I'm editing the footage. I like the way it looks. I feel like it's a big improvement after I made these settings changes. Got it at 30 frames a second. I got it at 120 shutter speed, and then I'm shooting in D-Log, so it's a flat color profile, so I can edit it the way I want to, and the colors are not baked in. But I'm liking it. I'm saying I'm liking it. Before it was too much noise. It was looking kind of grainy and chunky. And now I feel like it's looking really solid, more closer to a full frame camera. So I feel like when it comes to action cameras, it's all about what you like. I think I like the DJI Action 4 better than the GoPro 12 at this moment. Just because of the way the image looks. I'm going to keep it. I'm not going to return it. I would like to pay around $300 for this camera and everything with it, but you know, it's 2023. People are going to charge what they charge. Overall, it's a good camera. I think I can vlog with this. Definitely can bike with it. Thank you guys for joining us on this adventure to Cabela's. What is it called again? Cabela's. Anyways, yeah, thank you guys for joining us. We had a good time, good burger, and I hope you guys have a good weekend. Have fun. Adios.